Disciplining a child doesn't have to be harsh. Gentle discipline focuses on teaching rather than punishing, helping children learn self-control, responsibility, and respect. Here are 10 effective and kind ways to discipline a child. 1. Set clear expectations. Let your child know what is expected of them in simple, age-appropriate language. Example: we use our words to express feelings, not our hands. 2. Use positive reinforcement. Praise good behavior instead of just pointing out mistakes. Example: I love how you shared your toys with your brother. 3. Offer choices. Giving children choices gives them a sense of control and reduces power struggles. Example: do you want to brush your teeth before or after putting on pajamas? 4. Stay calm and model behavior. Children learn by watching. If you stay calm, they're more likely to do the same. Example: speak in a composed tone instead of yelling when correcting behavior. 5. Use time-ins instead of timeouts. Instead of isolating them, sit with them and talk about their feelings and actions. Example: I see you're upset. Let's sit together and talk about what happened. 6. Redirect instead of punish. Guide children toward better choices rather than just saying no. Example: if they're throwing blocks, say, blocks are for building. Let's throw a softball instead. 7. Teach problem-solving skills. Help your child find solutions to conflicts instead of just punishing bad behavior. Example: what could you do differently next time when you're feeling frustrated? 8. Use natural consequences. Let children experience the natural outcome of their actions as long as it's safe. Example: if they refuse to wear a jacket, they'll feel cold and learn from it. 9. Connect before you correct. Ensure your child feels loved and understood before offering discipline. Example: give a hug before saying, I know you were excited, but hitting hurts. 10. Be consistent. Children need predictable boundaries. Follow through with what you say. Example: if screen time is over at 7 p.m., stick to it every night. Discipline should be about teaching, not punishing. When children feel heard and respected, they are more likely to listen and cooperate.